first operation of set is union. Let's see how we do the union operations. Union of two sets A and B is set which contains all the elements of A and B. The union of sets is denoted by mathematical notations. So these notations that is for union, and we have to use these union notations. And look at one example here. If set A contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and set B contains the elements 4, 5, 6, 7, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lie in the union of A and B. So A union B contains the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in curly bracket. And here let's see clearly, in A union B all the elements are from set A and B, and the common elements 4, 5, 6 are not repeated. So we can conclude that A union B is the new set obtained from set A and B. And in set builder notations we can write A union B is the set of X such that X belongs to A also, or X belongs to B. We write only those X which belongs to A or which belongs to B. And you can see in this Venn diagrams, A union B is here denoted by the shaded portion. Here shaded portions you can see is for A union B. Let's see one more example here. Set R contains A, B, C, D and S contains C, D, E, F. R union S. Okay, we know R union S is the new set consisting of all the elements of R and S. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Here C, D, they are common in both, so it should not be repeated. Okay, so this way we do the operation of R union S. And in Venn diagram you see C and D is common, and A, B left here, and in set S there is C, D, E, F. C, D already, so E, F. Here R union S consists of A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F. So these shaded portions is for R union S. So R union S we have to set these portions like this. Next operation is intersection of sets. Intersection of two sets A and B is a set which contains all the elements of both sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is denoted by A intersection B. For example, A consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B consists of 4, 5, 6, 7. And here we can see what are commons. 4, 5, 6, they are common in both sets. So A intersection B consists of that common elements, that is 4, 5, 6 in the set. And this shaded portions is for A intersection B. 4, 5, 6 is in the shaded portions. So and A intersection B in Venn diagram is represented by the shaded portions. And in set builder form, A intersection B is the set of X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. That means we write only those elements which belongs to both the sets. Let's see another example. Intersection of sets P and Q. P consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 and the set Q consists of 2, 4, 6, 8. And the intersection of P and Q is mathematically denoted by this. This is intersections symbol. So P intersection Q, here this P is intersections Q only deals with the common. So in the two set 2 and 4 are common, so we only write the common elements. So this is P intersection Q. And in Venn diagram, okay, P and intersection Q is 2, 4 and the remaining part we have to show 1, 2, 3, 4 and Q 2, 4 is already common, so 6 and we have to set the this part to show the P intersection Q. Okay. The difference of two sets A and B is said to be a set of the elements which are contained in A but not in B. Okay, the elements which are contained in A but not in B. That means we have to write only the elements of A, okay, which does not belong to B, and it is denoted by A minus B. You can see in examples, A consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B consists of 4, 5, 6, 7 are two sets. Then A minus B is 1, 2, 3. That means 1, 2, 3 are only the elements from A. That means the elements from B, they are subtracted. Okay, and you can see in these figures A minus B. Here the shaded portion is A minus B, from where 4, 5, 6 the common elements are not mentioned in A minus B. And A minus B can be written in another form as A minus B. And here that you have to A intersection B, that is 1, 2, 3 is removed from the first ray. And there is obviously difference from B minus A. So B minus A, you have to write only the elements of B, not in A. So there is difference between A minus B and B minus A that student should be concerned. Complement of a set. A set of elements which are contained in a set A but contained in universal set U. A set of elements which are not contained in a set A but contained in universal set U is called complement of set A. The complement of set A is denoted by A bar. A bar is contained in U but not in A. So it is also written as A bar equals to universal set minus the set. For example, U contains 1 to 10 and A contains 1, 3, 5, 7. Then the complement of A bar is those elements which are not contained in A, okay, but in universal set. That means from the universal set you have to remove the elements in set A. That means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 not written and remaining elements from universal set are written here. Complement of set A. A universal set U contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set A contains 2, 4. Then complement of the set is denoted by A bar. Also we can denote it by A dash and AC. Here we know the complement of set is those elements which are not contained in A. Okay, remember those elements which are not contained in A but in universal set. Okay, so you have to write the elements which does not belong to A but belongs to this one. So 2, 4, you have 2 and 4 which belongs to A, you don't have to write, and the remaining is what? 1, 3 and 5. So here elements up to 4 are not written, but remaining elements from the universal set it is written. And this complement also can be written this way, that is in difference form, that is U minus A. Okay. 1, 3, 5.